take a moment to find a comfortable seat. Let your spine be upright, but not rigid. Rest your hands gently on your lap. And when you're ready, close your eyes or simply let them soften. Notice your breath. Simply notice. No need to change it. Just feel it move in and out. Simple. Natural. Bring awareness to your body. Notice your shoulders, your jaw, your belly. And if there is any tension, let the next exhale soften it, even slightly. Now, quietly set this intention within yourself. I am willing to meet what arises. I do not need to fill the space. I am willing to meet what arises. I do not need to fill the space. Let your attention rest on the sense of inner space. Noticing without adding. Let thoughts drift by like faint clouds. Return again and again to the sense of open space. If you feel blankness or nothingness, let that be. This is part of the path. What feels like emptiness is not the absence of life. It's the doorway to it. If fear, restlessness, or unease shows up, Welcome it gently. Say to yourself, this too belongs. Stay with the sensation in your body, not the story in your mind. Now place a hand on your heart. Feel the warmth of your touch. And whisper inwardly, I am safe to rest in quiet. Slowly begin to return. Feel the weight of your body on the chair or cushion. Notice the room around you. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly. Carry this quiet with you into your day.